Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making more coasters. First thing you need is some gloves. So again, KSResin. This is the resin. We're going to pour this into my resin cup I have here, and I'm going to fill it to the top. Again, you guys can get this resin. Go on my Instagram page, I.O.U.FAVORS, and click link in bio. You can use the discount code I.O.U.FAVORS and you get 10% off all resin, all products actually. So we're going to put that there. We're going to put this in the larger cup. We're going to use, I call it a popsicle stick. And we're going to use that to get all of it out of the resin cup that I just poured. So you want to scrape the sides, and you're going to do the same with the hardener. Again, make sure you scrape all the sides of the cup where you poured your resin so you could get everything out and the proportions are correct. Once that is done, you do the hardener. Make sure you get all of it out, guys. Scrape the sides. Scrape, 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 scrape them sides. You want to make sure the proportions are correct again. All right, so once that is done, you want to put the resin cup to the side and grab your hardener cup. So let's do that. And again, pour the same proportion that you poured in the resin cup. And that is about it right there. Close that baby up. Pour it in the cup. Again, scrape the sides. It's important, guys, because if you don't get the exact measurement and it won't be equal proportions. And we definitely want equal proportions so the resin can cure correctly. Again, cure means harden. So make sure that you scrape them sides and get it all out. You don't want to waste any resin. Get it all out. Get it all out. There we go. There we go. There we go now. All right. Now that is done. We're going to put that to the side. And now we're going to stir, 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 stir. So during this process, I'm just going to speed up the video because it doesn't make sense for you guys to watch me as I stir this in slow motion. So I'm going to speed it up right now. So I'm going to speed this video up again. I'm going to use the resin that we just stirred up, and I'm going to put them in each of the molds. Once they're in each of the molds, make sure you scrape all the sides to get all that resin out so you don't waste resin. Resin is pretty expensive and we don't want that. Now that we did that, we're going to make sure the resin is on evenly on each side. We're going to use these dies. But before we do that, we want to torch the resin to get all the bubbles out so it's crystal clear. Now we're going to take the red dye. We're going to just start putting it in. I'll put the other dye on top of it. And you want to do this sporadically. And you're going to just keep on doing it. The white dye is a little bit heavier, which gives it that 3D effect to push it forward. Just keep adding it, keep adding it. And there's no wrong way to put it in. Again, make sure you put the heavier dye. I added some silver right here on top of it, and then I'm going to throw some white on top of it to push it down to give it again a 3D effect. I'm going to close this up. I'm going to sit that coaster to the side, and we're gonna start the gel coaster. But before I do, let me just mix it up a little, and that is it for that coaster. That first coaster we used alcohol ink, and this coaster we are going to use acrylic paint. So I chose like a pink, a green color, and an orange. So I'm just adding more resin. I'm going to stir this up. Stir, 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 stir. Scrape them sides, scrape them sides. Make sure you mix in all of the resin. You're going to pour it in. Gonna mix, mix, and mix. It's really pretty. All right, so I'm just gonna drizzle it in. With the acrylic paint with the resin, I feel that it gives it, like, it makes it even heavier, but it gives it a cool 3D effect as well. Torch afterwards. You always run the torch to make sure it's crystal clear. So again, guys, for the GI coaster, we used the marbling acrylic paint with the resin, and this is the effect how it came out. And for this one, we used the alcohol ink dye flow, and I added also these three inside because I feel like it wasn't colorful enough with the resin. And I also put some, where is it? I put some glitter inside to make them sparkly and give it that effect. Again, guys, we finished another DIY, and thanks for watching. I'll take them out the mold, and these are the final look. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that bell notification. Thanks, craft lovers.